In front of me is Nothing Phone 2A, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Notifications right away. Then select App Notifications. Click on Most Recent and apply the best option for you, like Most Frequent. Finally, click on one of those switchers next to one of your apps to block all notifications from the chosen ones. You can switch them back on by hitting the same, now gray switchers. If you want to, you can also tap on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!